ma'am. Dito tayo. Alright, dito po tayo. Ma'am, what's your name? Ma'am Mary Vic. Ano po ang sagot ninyo?
Bride.
The bride. Bakit po si bride?
The way she talks, her,
Okay lang, ma'am. Okay lang. Basta siya yung romantic. Okay. Alright. So, para sa inyo, ma'am, si bride. Para sa inyo, si groom. Okay? Sige, Ma'am Mary Vic, the bride is... Ay, DJ Kylie kakamitin. Pasensya na po kayo mga kaibigan na... This doesn't usually happen to events I've been hosting in the past, and it might seem like, a show of incompetence on my part, kaya pasensya na po talaga. Nakalimutan ko po kasing kumpletuhin yung mechanics. So kung tama ang sagot mo, you win a special cash prize from the newlyweds.
Ay, naku po na, hindi ka kubuha.
Pero,
Iipot mo rin
pag mali ang sagot mo, lahat ng kasama sa table ay tatayo at sasayaw. Alright, so the Mary Vic, ang sagot mo ay the bride. The bride is... Congratulations! The bride is wrong! At dahil sa tumayo po ang table na to, palakpakan niyo naman mga kaibigan. Sir, sana makibigay na po ang cash prize kay sir. Ayan. Alright, tayo po tayo. Ang hindi po tatayo at sasayaw, 100,000 pesos po ang ibibigay. Tayo po tayo. Alright, tayo po ang lahat. Tayo po tayo. So, nag-room po ang master band. Mami, tayo rin po kayo. Ma'am, sasayaw ka. Wag mo lang planner dito. Okay, and while they're dancing, I need you guys to put your hands together to the beat of the music. Ang hindi mo papalakpak habang sumasayaw sila, sila po ang susunod na sasayaw. Alright, so let's do this one more time, DJ. Play the music. Hey, everybody, answer palakpakan. Hey. Ang table na hindi papalakpak sila ang susunod. Ay, palakpakan naman po natin. Thank you so much. Alright, bigyan na natin ang prize kay ma'am. Okay, next question na tayo. Question is, who is most likely to deal with a spider? Who is most likely to deal with a spider? Is it the bride or is it the groom? Who is most likely to deal with a spider? Is it the bride or the groom? Yes, sir. Parang malalim po ang iniisip ninyo, sir.
The bride.
Ano po muna ang pangalan, sir?
I'm Kaloy Vigarin.
Okay, Sir Kaloy, one of our
One of our
principal
sponsors.
sponsors. Sir Kaloy, who is more like...
I'm related to Andrew by injection, not by blood. I'm married actually for Andy.
Alright, sir. So, sir, para sa inyo, who is most likely to deal with a spider?
I think it's you. It's the bride.
The bride.
Yeah.
Bakit po si bride?
Tignan mo naman yung shooting ni Andrew for a spider. Do you honestly think he's afraid of a spider? No way.
So, feeling niyo po si bride ang magdi-deal with the spider? Who's most likely to deal with the spider?
I think he's afraid of spiders.
Okay, Andrew is afraid of spiders. Okay, sino po ang nagsasabing si groom ang makakaano ng spider? Yes po. What's your name? Kuya, pansinin mo ako. What's your name? Okay, ma'am. Kayo po ba ang kamag-anak? Okay, sab. Ano po ang pangalan, ma'am?
Maricar po.
Ma'am Maricar, ano po ang sagot dapat ng batang ito? Ma'am, paragbenga na tapos na. Ano po?
Si bride.
Yun din yung sagot ko dito. Alright, Sir Kaloy, let me just reiterate our mechanics. Just in case mali po ang sagot ni Sir Kaloy, lahat po ng mga kasama po natin dito sa table ay tatayo at sasayaw. Alright. Sir Kaloy, the bride is... bakit parang pinakabahan mo kayo dito? Laro-laro lang to. The bride is correct! Alright, congratulations! Okay, now let's move on Next question po tayo. Next question. Question is, who is more likely to wake up early? Sino po ang mas maagang gumigising? Is it the bride or the groom? Alright. Okay, dito muna tayo. Yes, ma'am, what's your name?
Ilang?
Angel. Who is more likely to wake up early?
Si ano,
The bride.
The bride.
dapat siya yung sasagot. Alam
Bakit?
niya kung sino unang
Kasi
nagigising
si
siya.
Gusto ko yung challenge siya pa ako.
Ay, alam
Do you wanna know the reason?
Wala ako.
Oh, bakit?
Oh,
Because Kuya works all night.
Alright, so you feel like the groom
Umaga nga
does
ba
not wake up
nagigising si
early?
Mylene?
I guess I'm a witness.
Okay. Alright, Angel. Let me just refer to my answer sheet, verified by the Department of Trade and Industry. Miss Angel, the bride is... basahin mo to. Is wrong! Dahil dyan, tumayo po ang table na to. Palakpakan niyo naman mga kaibigan. You wanna know why? Because you're wrong. So, aking stand-up, tayo na. Sir, kasama rin po kayo. Kasama po kayo. Wala akong pakialam, malapit ka dito. Tumayo ka, tumayo. Okay? Alright. Ang hindi po sasayaw, hindi umupo. Kahit hanggang bukas tayo dito. Oh, sir, ano? Dito ka, nakaharap ka sa akin, tayo. Tayo. Okay. Alam na po natin na you're gonna have to clap your hands to the beat of the music. Ulitin ko, ang hindi po papalakpak sila po ay sasayaw. Okay? Alright, let's do this one more time. Music! Oh, come on! Ayaw! Hey! Taas ang mga kamay! Hey! Let's go! Okay na. Masyado na kayong masaya. You wanna know why? Thank you so much, Angel. Alright. Please let us know if the bride and the groom are ready. Okay, next question po tayo. Question is, who cracks the lamest jokes? Who cracks the lamest jokes? Is it the bride or the groom? Sino po ang nagjo-joke pero wali? Yes, ma'am. Parang tinignan mo ako, sabi mo, gets ko yung answer na yan eh. Ma'am, what's your name? Miss Marisa, the beautiful Miss Marisa. Who cracks the lamest jokes? Is it the bride or the groom?
I think the groom.
The groom! Okay po. Alright, ulitin ko po ang mechanics para po sa ating mga principal sponsors and the parents of our newlyweds. Kapag mali po ang sagot ni Ma'am Marisa, kayo po ay tatayo at sasayaw. Okay? Ma'am Marisa, the sagot niyo ay the groom. The groom is... Ang galing. The groom is wrong! At dahil siya tumayo po ang lahat ng mga ninong at sila, palakpakan niyo naman mga kaibigan! All the principal sponsors of Andrew and Mike. Ma'am, tayo ka rin, ma'am, kasama ka. Sayang naman yung pa-firm mo. Okay, alright. Ang hindi po sasayaw ha, magbabayad naman mo ng 350,000 pesos. Okay? So let's do this one more time. DJ, play the music! Go! Hey! Oh. Come on, sir! Hey! Oh, taas ang mga kamay! Hey! Wait. Sir, sama nga po kayo. Dito po tayo, sir. Alam niyo kasi mga kaibigan, minsan lang po ako makakita ng napakagaling sumayaw sa mga ganitong kasalan. Dito tayo? Yes, sir. Napakamatipulong naman itong si sir. Parang 25 years old. Sir, ano po ang pangalan? Nicholas. Alright. Alam niyo mga kaibigan, kung hindi niyo muna itatanong we are truly privileged to be in the midst of the original member of Backstreet Boys. Sir, pakatawag mo na ba kayo mga Backstreet Boys? Come on. Konting sayaw. Oh, oy! Hey! Palakpakan niyo naman mga kaibigan, Sir Nicholas! Grabe ka, sir. Iba po yung tuhod niyo, ang galing. Palakpakan niyo naman mga kaibigan. Napakagaling ni Sir Nicholas. Alright. Okay. Again, please let us know kung ready na po ang ating bride and groom. Okay, next question po tayo. Question is, who is the better singer? Who is the better singer? Is it the bride or the groom? Yes, ma'am, what's your name?
Daniela po.
Daniela. Gusto ko yung asta ni Daniela. Daniela ho. Asan ang red suitcase mo? Okay. Daniela, who is the better singer? Is it the bride or the groom?
I think, right?
You think the bride. Why do you think it's the bride? Oh, hindi mo pinag-prepare. Okay. Ikaw ba, Daniela, kumakanta ka? Oh, halika dito mga kaibigan. Alright, kung kanina, si Sir Nicolas ang original member ng Backstreet Boys, ano? Ito naman si Daniela, mga kaibigan. Can you render us a special song intermission kahit short lang? Kasi syempre gusto namin malaman, ikaw ba ay team bride, team groom? Team bride. Sabi ho nila kapag team bride, magagaling daw talagang sumayaw eh. Ay, kumanta. Ayun, Daniela, a cappella tayo. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for our pop star teen, Daniela. Ang galing! Sorry. Okay. Relax na game, Daniela. Palakpakan naman natin, ladies and gentlemen. Let's put our hands together for Daniela.
Salamin sa dingding nasa lampag.
Everybody, come on.
Salamin sa dingding, pwede mo bang sabihin? Salamin sa dingding, kailan mo ba akong papansinin?
Okay, naka-fast forward. Gusto niyo ba sumayaw na lang si Daniela? Okay, siya po actually ang susunod sa Bini. Alright? So, ladies and gentlemen, once again, let's give it up for Daniela! Hey! Wala bang mga kamay dyan? Hey! Wow! Let's go, Daniela! Asa na mga kamay, mga kaibigan? Alright, there you have it. Thank you so much, Daniela. And the correct answer is... tapos bigla kayong sumayaw, no? Is the bride. Alright? So, bigyan naman po natin si Daniela. Thank you so much. Congratulations, sweetheart. And I think that ends our trivia question game. Palakpakan nyo naman ang isa't isa for an awesome pre-program game. Thank you so much. And of course, before we start with our wonderful celebration for Andrew and Mai's wedding, may I request all our entourage, secondary sponsors, bridesmaids, groomsmen, maid of honor, and best man to please proceed at the back portion of our venue, and our wonderful coordinators from SG Events will be helping you out when it comes to your assemblage. Again, lahat po ng ating mga abay, secondary sponsors, bridesmaids, groomsmen, maid of honor, ang huli pong pupunta sa likod na abay, sila po ay magte-tiktok ng 13 minutes straight. Alright, and of course, while they are at it, let me take this opportunity to acknowledge the key persons who took a fundamental role in the lives of Andrew and Mai. So kapag natawag po ang inyong pangalan, kindly stand up and wait for the last member to be recognized. Again, kindly remain standing po kapag natawag po ang inyong pangalan. So let's start with our male principal sponsors. Mr. Rolly Pagulayan, Mr. Kaloy Vigare, Mr. Arthur Ibanez, Mr. Lito Ibanez, Mr. Alfonso Velasco, Mr. Ariel Carpio, Mr. Nicolas Parenya, Mr. Jimboy Sikat, Mr. Elmer Castor, Mr. Julio Ocampo, Mr. Ruel de Belen, and Mr. Arnold Salaysay. May we invite you right here, please, on center stage for us to recognize you and acknowledge you better. Lahat po ng ating mga ninong, kindly join us, please, on center stage. Pumunta po tayo ngayon dito sa gitna para po ma-recognize. Palakpakan nyo naman, mga kaibigan, all the male principal sponsors of our newlyweds celebrating with Andrew and Mai tonight. Pero kung hindi nyo po na itatanong, mga kaibigan, one of the criteria for selecting their principal sponsors ni Andrew at Mai, sabi ho nila sa akin, kaya daw po kayo sinelect maging principal sponsors dahil kayo daw po sa inyong mga henerasyon ang may pinakamagaling na sayaw. Alright? So kaya tatanungin ko kayo, gusto nyo bang makita ang sayaw ng male principal kung sumayaw, hindi umupo. Alright, let's do this, ladies and gentlemen. Let's give it up for our male principal sponsors, music.
A little bit of Monica.
Oh, oh, oh!